And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the Colgroup tag. This is a formatting tag. I've got the same table that I've used in the last video, where I've explained the call element. You can see the table and there's a call group, and it's used to group columns. Sometimes you want to just group one because you want to style a specific column. In this case, I've got two already in it. Let me add a third column in my call group. By default, it has a span of 1. I'll change the background color to blue, and now my Instagram column will have this blue background color. Let me make it light blue. And this is what the call group is for, so you just use it to group your columns that you want to style if you have a table. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.